RealPresence Group Convene makes it easy to extend rich video and content experiences to huddle rooms and personal workspaces. In an office workspace, you can collaborate with no compromises, with full HD video and content and rich audio in a sleek package that reduces clutter on your desk. Smaller groups can also benefit, as RealPresence Group Convene is an ideal fit for huddle rooms, open workspaces, and anywhere else people gather to collaborate. The system is flexible, designed to fit the unique needs of your environment. You can select 1 or 2 monitors, place it on a table or desk, or use the optional wall mounting kit. With the adjustable camera with built-in microphone, everyone will be seen and heard clearly. No matter which setup you select, the entire system is self-contained and cables are kept out of the way for a clutter-free workspace. Plus, you get all the benefits of RealPresence Group series with best-in-class HD video and content quality, a simple and intuitive interface, and native Microsoft Link integration to extend the benefits of your UC investment. To learn more, please visit polycom.com.